Hello everyone, let's learn how to download Instagram Reels video to gallery. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of downloading Instagram Reels videos using a reliable and user-friendly method. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Then I'm going to watch Reels, because I won't find a good reel to download it. When you find it, go on the share button in bottom left side of reel. Next, you need to click in bottom of screen to copy link, and on that way you copied link of reel. After that, go on Chrome and go on search bar and type Snip Insta. Then go on this first website. Next, paste the link you copied and go on download. Now download a reel on your phone and wait a couple of seconds, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.